Okay. Good morning, everybody. Mr. Sekulow had the temerity to stand on the floor of the Senate and say you must acquit the president because there are no eyewitnesses to the conduct alleged by the House, and also that senators must not call eyewitnesses who could confirm it. Of course, Ambassador Sondland was an eyewitness. Mr. Mulvaney admitted the president held up the aid at a press conference. Nonetheless, the president's counsel said, you must have additional eyewitnesses, but you're not allowed to have them.
Democratic caucus, Joe Manchin just saying he believes Hunter Biden would be a relevant witness. What do you say to Senator Manchin?
Frankly, the hypocrisy of Mr. Sekulow's argument was not lost on senators. I'm sure even Republicans sort of added this up, the hypocrisy. If anything, Sekulow's argument made the case for witnesses and documents even stronger. So inadvertently, he helped us. Now, I remain hopeful that 4 Republican senators will join us in supporting witnesses and documents in this trial. It's an uphill fight, as I've always said, but the public is on our side, and truth, above all, is on our side. And that's why we're still in the fight. That's why we're still in the ballpark.
He seems to know quite a lot. Why didn't
We said, you may remember this, a week and a half ago, they're going to say, let's wait. And then when we wait, they're going to say it took too long. We shouldn't have waited. Again, just double talk to avoid the truth. That's what they're doing. They're tying themselves in all kinds of pretzel knots to avoid the truth, but the American people know the truth.
Senator Manchin's comment is really the first hint that a Democrat might not be.
We are not talking about a lengthy delay here. We're not going to be dilatory in any way. We have only asked for relevant evidence. It could be reviewed expeditiously. 4 witnesses, 4 sets of documents, the men who were in the room where it happened. No more, no less. That's reasonable. That's why the American people are so strongly in favor of witnesses and documents. Every day the number gets higher.
Considering not voting to convict the president on 1 or 2 of the articles of the conversation.
If people can't hold a president accountable for abuses only he can commit, then the impeachment power is meaningless. Bear in mind that folks like Attorney General Barr argue that the president cannot be indicted even if the president did commit a criminal offense. By this line of thinking, if the president can't be indicted for criminal conduct, can't be impeached for non-criminal conduct, that would surely put the president above the law. And we'd cease being a democracy. Correct.
Other witnesses. Is there maybe too much?
I understand the pressure my Republican colleagues are under to wrap this up as fast as possible because President Trump demands it. But we, the Senate, Democrats and Republicans, have an obligation to seek the truth. A fair trial matters, whatever the outcome.
We're doing just